everyone. Our today's topic is chemical coordination. Now, what do you mean by chemical coordination? Before that, let me tell you, our human body is made up of millions of cells. These cells, they try to communicate with each other. This communication is with the help of chemicals. Okay, so these cells try to communicate with each other, cell to cell communication, and one more communication is there where one organism try to communicate with another organism. Okay, so that is called as coordination. These first three types, they are the coordination between cell to cell, and the fourth one is the type where one organism try to communicate with another organism. So let us see. Here autocrine, auto means self and crine means secretion. Autocrine communication, paracrine communication, endocrine communication, and the last is pheromones. Autocrine. Let us see the example. Suppose this is a cell. Okay. These cells secrete certain chemicals. These chemicals, they are coming to the same cell. Here receptors are present on the membrane, cell membrane. Okay. If these chemicals, they are coming to again the same cell, the communication is called as autocrine communication. Now what is the use or why there is a necessity of this type of communication? This type of communication is helpful for cell division. The cell is giving signal to itself. So it is called as autocrine. This is also useful for regeneration of the cell. Okay. Paracrine communication means the communication between two adjacent cells is called as paracrine communication. For example, this cell secretes certain chemicals. These chemicals, they reaches to neighboring cell. These are the receptors which receive the signal. Okay. In this manner, these cells try to communicate with another or neighboring cell. Such type of communication is called as paracrine communication. The examples are, in the body we are having immune system. In immune system we are having many cells. So T cells, they try to communicate with either T cell or B cell, neighboring cell. Okay. So this is the example of paracrine. Endocrine communication. Here you can see one cell is present here. Okay. And the target cell, it is having certain distance. So this is the communication in between the two structures where the structures are far away from each other. Such type of communication is endocrine communication. Particularly, endocrine word, it is related with endocrine system. Endocrine system in which the endocrine glands are present, ductless glands. We are having many ductless glands like pituitary, thyroid, adrenal. Okay. So here the hormones, the chemicals which are secreted by endocrine glands are called as hormones. Okay. These hormones are released from one gland. They are directly released in the blood. Through blood they are carried and they affect the target organ. The target organ is having receptor. For example, if the pituitary gland which is situated in the brain, if that gland secrete ACTH hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, it will release in the brain, it will release in the blood. It will reach to the adrenal gland. Now suppose these are the kidneys. On the kidney, on the surface of kidney, this adrenal gland is present. Okay. So ACTH secreted from pituitary gland. It will come in the blood. From blood, it will reach to target organ. So target organ for ACTH is adrenal gland. So that adrenal gland become active and start secreting its own hormone. So these all are the communication in between cell to cell. Now come to pheromones. Pheromones are the chemicals which are similar to hormones, and they are secreted by one individual, okay, outside the body, so that the other individual of the same species come to know. Particularly, these are the substances which are secreted to the outside body by an individual, and it is received by second individual of the same species. These pheromones, these are the chemicals which are secreted by one animal, and particularly these pheromones, they are secreted so that they can communicate with other animal of the same species. These animals particularly, they secrete pheromones for making their territory also, or to attract the opposite sex of the same species.